We will learn how to draw a rose plant. For that you need to draw a rough circle like this, around 5 centimeter diameter. After that, leave here 1.5 centimeter and draw one horizontal line. Make like this curve and draw one line like this till here. After that, draw one curve line like this. From here, take the line till half and make it curve like this. It's very simple. After that, make a round over here, oval shape. Then draw one more curve line from here till here. Then you can draw one more line like this till here. After this, draw one line from here like this. Make in this way, and one more line like this over here. After this, make this line little dark. This side you can draw a part of petal and increase it out little bit. This also is necessary. Here you draw like this. After this, make a small petal over here, here, and join it over. Again from here add one more petal. This one you can join over here and continue one like this. After this, over here and take this down and join to this circle. Here you can add somewhat like this. Now we will draw the down part of the flower like this. Take it till here. Can make it little sharp over here. The another part you can take it from here like that. This is a green part of bird like this over here. The another one line comes from here and around over here. You need to join this inner part like this. Here you can draw and give some thickness to this one. This side also, but you have to take it little light and outside. In this way you can draw the rose plant. If you want, you can add some more petal like this side. You have to erase the extra lines which we have drawn before as a guideline. Now you have to use red color to do the shading. First you need to do it light. You can do outline it with a black pen first, and then you can do the shading. First you can feel light. Gradually you can increase the color as per your need. Like this to feel. Here you have to take care of the dark, light and middle color. So this area will be light and we'll be making this area dark. Dark to light you have to do. In whole another part also can feel it like this. See that you feel it light. If required you can make it dark, but if you do it dark first, then afterwards you will feel difficult to make it light. Better you make it light first, gradually as per your need you can increase the darkness. Like this you can feel over here also. So don't do the complete flower together, do one by one. So the petals should look separate. Some will be light petal and some will be more darker. Here again. Now this petal we will work on it. So make it dark over here at the edge, and this side you can make it light. Always see that you make dark to light gradually, slowly. You should have patience while coloring. Here I am using pencil color to complete this activity. Here we had a line, so we'll make the inner portion dark. Like this. This side also, this ending part, make it dark. Where it starts, try to make it dark. Up you can make it light. like this. This side, this area you can make it dark, and this you can make it light. This area you can leave it light, but slightly you need to do the shading. Now the middle area should be very dark, so here you can press and make it dark. Can leave light line around it. This side also do it like this. This side you can make it light. Like this. This upper area also. Here make the shading. Where you get confused, you just feel light color like this. Like this, do the shading. This side also now. Here we will leave light, so be careful while doing that. Like this. Make shading. Make the middle part light to give it roundity. Like this. This side also. Mix it properly, should look dark to light. I'm using only one color over here to make it easy. Like this. And this side also. Here you can make it dark. Like this, mix properly. Make it dark. Light. Mix this. Mix this dark to light here also. Here also. Now Now we'll change the color for this another part. Take it light green. First fill light. Fill it plain. Dark will do after some time. Here also. Fill it light. Here also. First we will fill in complete part and then we will do the details one by one. Always when you fill color, take care that you do not let the color go out. Like this here, and the last part over here, this should be light, it is little away from the side, so according to perspective it comes light like this. Now we'll use dark green to make it dark. Some part we will make dark. Especially outside. We'll use somewhere brown also. Here the middle line you can make it dark, and one side here you can make it dark like this. Do not make a complete part dark, like this here also. Getting this very simple. This side also, the outer part will make it dark. This side you can do it.